Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a photo collage on iPhone. And this is quite simple. First of all, we click on the App Store and we search here for the Shortcuts app. Then from here we click on Open, and then right here you will see this screen or maybe this screen. Then we click now on Gallery, and right here we search for Photo Grid. Then we click on Photo Grid, and now we click on Add Shortcut. And right now we want to go back by clicking on Cancel and then click on Shortcuts. Now we click on All Shortcuts, and now it's standing here, the green one left in the top. Then now we click on Photo Grid, and right now you need to select 4 photos that you want to use. So let's say this photo, this photo, this photo, and this photo. And then now we do Add. Right now he just created a nice collage from 4 photos, and if I tap now here on the arrow, we can click on Save to Photos. And right now if I throw this away, throw this away, throw this away, and I click here on Photos, we have the collage just right here in our photos. So this is exactly how you can do this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.